Hello everyone, today we will be making maska parathas or butter paratha. The ingredients that you will need will be 1 cup of wheat flour, half cup of water, salt as per taste and butter as required. You can adjust the amount of butter according to your preference. 1 teaspoon of oil, now in a mixing bowl add your half cup of wheat flour. To this add salt as per taste. Add 1 teaspoon of oil, add 2 or 3 tablespoons of water just to make the dough a little crumbly in texture. Now gradually add water to make it into a soft dough. Here I have used about half cup of water for kneading a soft dough. Now for rolling out your parathas, take a small portion of that dough. Now flatten this dough into a disc-like shape. Now dust this with some dry flour. Take some of that dry flour and sprinkle it on your rolling surface. Start rolling this paratha in a round shape. Now for rolling a perfectly round shaped paratha, work your hands towards the edges. Do not press it in the center. Lightly with your hands, just start rolling it on the sides of the paratha. Soon you will see it's turning into a circle. At first, but later on with some practice, you will be able to roll out a good round paratha soon. Now by this point, sprinkle some of that wheat flour on your paratha again and make sure it is well dusted with the wheat flour. Next, take some butter. Now butter is as per your preference and start spreading that butter all over your paratha. Make sure each corner is coated with the butter. Now start making a fan just like we used to do in school, a fan out of that paper, same ways. Now first just sprinkle some wheat flour again onto your paratha so that all the layers then stick to each other. Now start creating a fan out of the paratha. After making each of those folds, just press once so that all layers are nicely sticking to each other. Now when you get to the end of the paratha, just make sure you tuck the ends properly so that the entire paratha is secured. Now start rolling it into a spiral shape and tuck the ends in the middle. Lightly press this and dust it once again with the wheat flour. Sprinkle some of that wheat flour on your rolling surface. Now start rolling out the paratha. Now keep one thing in mind, just lightly roll out your paratha. If you put too much pressure on it, there are chances of the layers to stick together and we won't get the perfect layered paratha which we are looking for. Now try to make this paratha as big as possible. Now once your paratha is all rolled out, place your paratha on a hot tawa. Now wait until you see small bubbles appearing. Now flip this side. Apply a good amount of butter. Once the butter is applied on one side of the paratha, flip it once again and let that side cook for a minute. apply butter on the other side as well. Now take this paratha out on a plate. Now in the same way, roll out all your parathas. There you have it, your maska parathas are ready. Serve it with some butter chicken or any gravy of your favorite. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.